Nearly 30 million people are under blizzard warnings as communities across the Northeast prepare to hunker down for another winter storm. CBS's Christian Benavides reports from some places that are still cleaning up from the last one.
Across the Northeast, millions of Americans are preparing for another winter blast. There was a pre-storm mad dash at this grocery store on New York's Long Island.
Again?
My son texts me and says, "Mom, do you have food?" I said, "No." So he said, "You better rush, go and shopping."
New York City is loading up more than 700 salt spreaders and turning over 2,000 garbage trucks into snowplows. Conditions are forecasted to be more dangerous than the last storm.
Our city will face its second snowstorm in less than a month and our first blizzard since 2016. We are now expecting between 13 to 17 inches of snow, but there is a slight chance we may see up to 20 inches, if not more.
The state's governor, Kathy Hochul, declared a state of emergency.
This could be an historic storm, and the vulnerability is great.
Across the river in New Jersey, where wind gusts could reach up to 55 miles per hour, a state of emergency will also be in effect.
These are very dangerous driving conditions, so please plan to stay off the roads. We're taking precautions, we're making preparations.
In Connecticut, the city of Hartford is still cleaning up from the last storm.
Here we go again. I mean, we're still dealing with the snow that we have. Now it's going to be snow on top of snow.
More than 6,000 flights have already been canceled, with the storm forecasted to impact travel from Baltimore through New England. Christian Benavides, CBS News.